In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to consolidate data in Microsoft Excel. First, open your Excel file. Before you begin, make sure the workbook already contains the data you want to combine into one summary. In this example, there are two worksheets, and both of them contain product names along with sales amounts for each product. Consolidating data is useful when the same type of information is spread across multiple sheets and you want Excel to pull it together into one clean result. Next, click the cell where you want the summary to begin. This is important because Excel will place the consolidated output starting from that selected location. Once you've chosen the starting cell, go to the Data tab in the ribbon and click Consolidate. This will open the Consolidate dialog box where all the setup happens. Inside the dialog box, start by choosing the function you want Excel to use. You'll see options like sum, count, average, minimum, maximum, and more. The function you pick depends on the kind of result you want. For example, if you want to total sales from multiple sheets, sum is usually the right choice. After that, click into the reference field, then go to the first sheet that contains the data you want to include. Select the full data range, then return to the dialog box and click Add. This tells Excel to include that selected range in the consolidation. Now move to the next sheet and repeat the same process. Select the appropriate data range, then click Add again in the dialog box. Continue doing this for each worksheet or range you want to consolidate. Take your time here and make sure the correct ranges are selected because the final summary will be based entirely on what you add. If your data includes labels, you can also check the boxes for top row and left column in the Use Labels in section. This helps Excel match up categories correctly, especially when your ranges contain headings like product names across the top or down the left side. It can make your consolidated summary much more accurate and easier to read. Once everything is set up, click OK. Excel will then generate the consolidated data based on the function you selected. You'll now see a summary that combines the information from all the chosen ranges into one place. And that's it. That's how you consolidate data in Microsoft Excel. It's a simple but powerful feature that can save you time and help you organize information across multiple sheets much more efficiently.